you are, John. I'm Marie-Claire from MedTV, and I'm here to interview you about your new book.
Oh? Oh, MedTV! Oh, I nearly went there. The wind's fantastic. Oh, MedTV again. You saw me the other day when I was here last in Malta, in this lovely country of yours. Oh, want to interview me again? How sweet. This is a very interesting place you catch me at, because in my last book, Sanctuary in Malta, this particular street, if you like to just show the buildings behind you. Perfect. Perfect. This is the street in which the beautiful Maltese girl called Manuel Batista and her father live just over there where the blue doors are. They look after this Syrian terrorist who got shipwrecked here in Malta, and then they went across over there to the old holiday camp where the terrorist groups used to meet. But I'm not going to tell you any more about that. You need to read Sanctuary in Malta to find out what that's all about. But here, I'm in Malta on this occasion. Marie-Claire, did you say your name was?
Yes.
Nice name, Marie-Claire. Sounds French. I'm here. I'm doing this new book at the moment called Tornado Down. Mayday, 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 Tornado Down. It's about Flight Lieutenant Arbuthnot and his companion who fly the first Syrian mission into Syria. Oh, it's bad stuff. But things will happen. Malta gets involved. They crash, they get shot down, and they come across a plot that involves Malta. Oh, this is not good stuff. However, this book you do need to read. It's called, I'll say it again, Mayday, 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 Tornado Down over Syria. John Grainge. I must go now because I've got to do one or two things and photograph one or two things. I do appreciate being interviewed. Bye-bye for now. I do appreciate it. Bye-bye.
Come forward. I shouldn't really be talking to you as head of MI6 Overseas Division. My name is Jay, short for Jessica Hartman. I have just sent my best agent, Dick Barton, to Syria to rescue the two pilots shot down yesterday. I cannot say any more than that at the moment. I'm sorry. No more questions.
Ma'am, the PM's on the blower.
Okay, I'll be there in just a second. Bye.
Salam alaikum. I am the Caliph of IC. Al-Maloof is the name. My English not too good. My English not too good, excuse me. They have, here we have captured the two British pilots that come to bomb us. But they have escaped. We now, my men, we chase across Syria. We need to find them. So now, how I find them, if you read John Grainge's book, Mayday, 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 Tornado Down. I think that's how you read it in English. You see how I get them. Alaikum assalam. My town. Oh, Bennett. They're bloody hell. They're completely destroying us. They're the children up in. Oh my God, Bennett. I must go because I need to organize the resistance.
Bonjour. I am Dr. Callier from a refugee camp here in Jordan, and I have been told of an injured man found lying in the desert. I must go and try and find him. I have to find him. He must be over here somewhere. I have to find him. Come. Come. There he is. Hello.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Oh, hello. I'm Dick Barton. I've just been shot by the American Colonel Lopez. I'm here in the Syrian desert. I've just been shot. Oh, dear. You know, to find out how I got to this position, you need to read the book. Oh, dear. Oh.
Hello. I am Inspector Vella from Malta. I've just come up from the beach down there, been talking to my sergeant. He's found a wreckage of a boat that we believe is a boat that was brought over here from Egypt with a dirty device. I've got to go down and investigate further. I've got to go. Sergeant!